Hey guys, Rick from NorCal Self-Reliance. Real quick, I just want to go over my EDC, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so first off the start, I'm wearing my tan 511 short stay, just a navy blue t-shirt and my multicam hat. I have a little paracord bracelet and a Timex Expedition analog watch. See if it'll focus. And then my right rear pocket, I carry my Benchmade Griptilian with the sheepfoot design. It's made in USA, and I've been carrying it for about 6 months, and I have to tell you, it's a pretty cool knife. I like it. In my left rear pocket, I carry 2 items. My sheepfoot, or correction, my Streamlight Tac 2. Takes double A's, 2 to be exact. Has the high strobe and low settings. Really like the deep pockets in my 511s. And then I have Maxpedition micro wallet. And then I got like a little Fresnel lens I keep in there. I've actually made fire with that. It's pretty cool. My cell phone pocket, I just carry a regular old dumb phone. Has internet, you know, texting, all that stuff we use for communication. Then around my belt, carry a Wave Leatherman inside of a leather pouch. I've had a Leatherman on me for years now. I swear by it. It's probably the one tool I can't live without. And then I carry a little Ferrocerium rod right here in this little pocket that's in the side of the pouch. I've been carrying it this way probably about 2.5, 3 years now, and haven't lost it yet. And I do a lot of crawling on the ground and, you know, stuff like that, and I've managed to hold on to it. So till I lose it, that's my method of carry. Around my neck, I'll carry a container with some water purification tablets, a Leatherman PS4, and then this is my own little invention, which is basically a aluminum can that I cut to size, filed down a little bit, wrapped it tightly around my Bic lighter, taped it into position, and paracord wrapped it. And I've been carrying it this way for about 3.5, 4 years now, and it's showing its age, but it works pretty good. Then right here is my keys. I got some bank line, a USB. I got container that I carry. Yep, 5. Thank you, buddy.
He said he wants your game.
I'm in the middle of something. I'll be right with you. Then I have a little container that I carry. Wind's kicking up. Everything's going wrong. A little container. Inside here I'll carry aspirin, ibuprofen, and then I got a cotton ball of Vaseline. And it's wrapped with black Gorilla duct tape. And I got my little Keymate made by Streamlight. It's great for like if you need to get into your house or whatever, you don't have to pull out your bigger light. And of course, let's see, what else do I got here? Oh, I got a PS4 on here somewhere. Can't see it with the camera. Oh, there it is. The very best can opener I've ever owned. And then the Night Eyes, I guess you just call it a S-beaner / beer opener, and that's in case I need to get into a beer. But anyhow, guys, so thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, and let's learn together. Thanks, guys. In a future video, I'll be going over my Urban EDC / get home bag. So stay tuned, guys, and subscribe. Thanks.